Hello, everyone, and welcome to our presentation. We are presenting to ACI Concrete Solution Competition. I'm Mohammed Ghamloush, and my teammates Mustafa Muslim and Jad Taraf.
Waste glass is another waste material that is produced in large quantities and is difficult to eliminate. Glass is one of the important materials that we all count on due to its pliability to take any shape, resistance to abrasion, and durable. With the increased use of glass, the amount of waste glass increases too. It is known that the most of the waste glass is collected, especially container glasses, remelted and used to produce new glass. However, not all of the waste glass is suitable for the production of new glass. Therefore, it is necessary to find other applications for it.
For instance, United Nations estimates the volume of yearly disposed waste to be 200 million tons, 7% made up of glass. For example, USA produced yearly 11 million tons of waste glass, and only 30% are recycled. Comparing to United Kingdom, it produces 2 million tons but recycles only 67%, which lead to one conclusion that the rest are going to landfills. There are different sources of waste glass, but majorly come from the drinking bottles. The huge percentage of unrecycled waste glass present a significant opportunity for reusing it.
Concrete, for example, concrete is not less important than glass, as it contributes a lot in our life. But at the same time, the production of concrete is harming the environment by increasing greenhouse emission and the use of natural resources. It is like estimating the yearly concrete consume 9 billion tons of aggregate, 1.5 billion tons of cement, and 1 billion tons of water, with the estimated increase to 18 billion tons by the year 2050.
To have more sustainable concrete, researchers are studying the possibility of using waste glass in concrete by replacing it partially with one of the concrete components, and they are concluding in good results. We are proposing partial replacement of cement with crushed waste glass, as cement has the major effect on the environment. It contributes a lot with greenhouse emission. Cementitious materials modified with micro-scale glass powders demonstrated better mechanical and durability properties at later ages compared with the control of concrete materials. These improvements are probably owing to the microstructure improvement caused by the pozzolanic property of glass powders. By that way, the concrete is getting stronger, the cost is decreased, and we are contributing in reduction of waste glass. Thank you for listening.